Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make money using AI that creates PowerPoint presentations. Now guys, the best thing is that you don't need any skills, you don't need any experience at all for you to use this. You don't need any design skills, whatsoever. You can use the power of this AI tool to potentially make money online. I'll be giving you some tips on how you can do that. Now before we begin, I would just like to tell you that all the AI tools that you can think of, you can see it here in airegisters.com, all the AI news, all the latest updates, all the tools that's upcoming. There's close to 2,000 AI tools on this website. At the time of this recording, you can see it all here. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Real World. We're all about finding ways on how you can make money wherever you are in the world, especially using the power of AI. You don't need any skills, you don't need any experience. We will help you for you to find your niche on how you can utilize those tools available online for you to make money online. Okay, so let's jump right in. So this website or this AI tool that I'm going to show you, it is this one, Storied. Okay, so as you can see, AI powered presentation. So what is this AI tool about? So as you can see here, create data presentations leaders love in seconds. Okay, so without a clear presentation, leaders will ignore you. Well, that's right. When you create presentations with Storied, leaders pay attention and you get recognized for your hard work. So in this video, we'll be exploring how Storied is actually kinda revolutionizing the way freelancers or people in the corporate setting create data presentations, okay? So Storied, this is an AI tool that simplifies the process of creating usually engaging data presentation. So it allows you to create quickly a professional quality presentation that can capture your audience attention, whether it be for your sales page, your regular meetings and so on. You'll be able to create a crystal clear presentation on how your message or how the data that you have wants to be portrayed. So here are the features, okay? Essential skill for the business. So you can easily create a PowerPoint presentation using Storyed with just prompts, okay? So because these are some of the challenges. Usually, if you make a presentation or if you create a presentation, these are the questions. So what is this person talking about? Too much information and so on, which is understandable. If you have so many information on your hand, it's actually hard. That's one of the challenge. It's actually hard to make the presentation in a more easy to read, more concise, with more brevity. So Story will allow you, this AI tool will allow you to do that, and it's very simple to do it. So all you need is to type in your topic. What is your topic about? What do you want to present? And then the AI, when you click generate presentation, the AI will do its thing. Okay, just wait for 60 seconds or less, and it will create you a presentation which you can export, like, in a PowerPoint presentation and so on. And then from there, you can edit it. You can even edit it under the Storied AI dashboard. So you can 10 times your productivity with that. Now, let's go ahead and try. Okay, see what this AI tool is capable of. All right. So if you go to their dashboard, you can try it for free, which is really amazing. Okay, so you will see here. Okay, there are several templates that you can use. Okay, these are pre-made templates already that you can just edit and so on. Now, let's say that you are starting from scratch. Okay, so click here, start a story. All right, and then here, you will be typing in here the topic that you want your presentation to be generated. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. Now, let's say that my topic is this one, the future of sustainable fashion, embracing eco-friendly practices for a greener world. Right? That's just a random topic. Okay, and then you click create script. Wait for a couple of seconds, and then Storyed will generate the script for you. And here we go. So here's the script generated. So remember, we just inputted a topic, and then here's what it generated. Initiate, unlock a greener wardrobe, answering the call for sustainable fashion, and so on. Here's the context, okay, the villain, okay. So it's like, it's a format for you to be able to make the flow going. So consequence, here's the consequence, okay, of the problem that is being tackled into, and this is the spear. So it's like a pain aggregate solution format, okay. So the impact of this, and then here's the solution. All right, so, and here is the plan for the future plan on how you can take action and what it is and does. So from in this section, you can edit it. You have to make sure that you, as the person who will be using the presentation, all the input here or all the text here is actually relevant and in line with what you want to be portrayed or with what the presentation you want to be. If it's not, you can just edit it from here, okay? And then it will generate a new one, or you can edit it from here. Once once you have decided, you've checked it and everything is okay, you click create slides, and then from there you just wait for another couple of seconds. It's not even 30 seconds, okay? And then it will generate the slides from you. Okay, there we go. It's just 10 seconds. So this slides, which is really amazing. Okay, so let's go ahead and see in this one. Okay, so unlock a greener wardrobe. Here's the slides. Okay, these are the text that, earlier on this script section. Okay, so it allows you to, it was presented in a more readable, okay, format, visually appealing format. And then from here, you can, export it either via PDF or via PowerPoint, from which you can still edit from there, or edit it from here. Okay, you can change the theme, you can change the color, the text, the footer, and so on. All right, so really amazing, guys. Now, usually, if you'll be making it manually, this thing, it will take you hours, okay? Yeah, especially if you have to, collate and organize the numbers that you have, it will take time. Now this, it didn't even take 1 minute. All right, so that's how amazing this AI tool is. Now the question, how are we going to make money using Story? There are a lot of ways. Let's say in the case of a freelancer, okay, you can offer presentation design service. Just do a quick jump into Fiverr or Google and then just type in PowerPoint presentation, and they are charging a lot, minimum of $25. PowerPoint presentation, $50. Now, if you'll be making a data presentation, I tell you, you can charge up to $100 or more, and you'll be able to easily do that, not even 1 hour, okay, including the editing, and then charge them for that. You can contact or coordinate with the direct, with the local businesses that you have in your area. You can combine your expertise, if you have any, with the AI's advanced script, okay, design capabilities, and so on, for you to easily make this, presentations and then generate money from that. Another way is you can provide data visualization consultancy. If you're already an expert, I tell you, so many businesses struggle with presenting complex data in a digestible format. So if you are an expert, or if you're already experienced as a freelancer, let's say, you can use Story to create easy to understand data visualizations and then offer consultancy, charge them for that. You can even use this, to create training materials for business, because why not? You can easily do that, right? The way because I've been exposed to kind of different setups, and the way they present their training materials are absolutely, like old stuff, so it can easily be edited. The primary reason is that most of these companies do not really have a dedicated person to innovate those. Okay, not all, but there's just the majority that I've seen. So you can utilize Story's pre-built business data, storing presentations, okay, to create customized training materials for your clients, easy to read, digestible format that can, get straight to the point on what it is that they need to learn. Okay, you can even use this to create, like, say, content for different social media platforms, even YouTube, other platforms like LinkedIn or Instagram. You can use this and create engaging content, and then later on, as you grow your following, you can monetize it by, let's say, content through ads, sponsorships, affiliates, and so much more, sponsor ads, and so on. Okay, or I also think that you can use this as a white label presentation design, and then offer a service for different businesses, and then charge them for that. What I mean is that, because many marketing designs or marketing agencies, they require presentation, but they might not have the in-house expertise. So if you have an expertise in particular niche, and then you will be synergizing that with this AI tool and what it's capable of, you can offer a freelance service white label solution for that, and it pays a lot. All right, because it's very specific to your particular niche. All right, so those are just examples. There's definitely a whole lot of ways for you to make money using this. As this AI tool is still being developed, you can further, get updated with the features. Just go ahead and go to their website, story.ai, and then see if it's up to your liking. Okay, so again, thank you so much for watching. All the AI tools you can find in airegisters.com. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.